beautiful morning. I wonder what I'm gonna do today. I guess I could check on Bomb and Pig. Okay. Where do they live again? Oh, I know Pig lives here. I remember where Pig lives, so let's go to Pig's house. Okay, it's kind of bumpy right there. Pig, are you home, Pig? Good morning, Red. Good morning, Pig. How are you doing today? Yeah, I just woke up. That's good though. I did find this hat, but I'm looking for the owner. That's good. So, what are your plans for today? I don't know. Still following orders of King Pig. Yeah. Don't you wish I could retire? Yeah. You're much cooler than him. Yeah. Well, just keep trying, okay? I will. Yes, I'm gonna go check on Bob. You remember his? Oh, yeah. Hold on. Oh, wait. What I'm being. Actually, yeah. Okay, here's the directions. Thank you. Yeah, I forgot what it says. Okay, I'll see you later, Pig. See you later, Red. It's such a beautiful morning. I wonder what Red's doing. Hey, Mom. Whoa! Red, you startled me. Oh, sorry, Mom. How you doing? I'm doing fine. That's good. I'm doing fine, too. So is Pig. Oh, Pig. How? I'm glad he's doing okay. Yeah, he just wished he could retire from King Pig. Yeah, I know. But yeah, you have any plans for today? Probably not any exploding ones. Don't worry, you know me, I only explode when I get scared. But yeah, mostly I'm just might chill for today. Okay, how's Mom doing? Oh, Mom? Yeah, she's doing okay. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Well, I'm gonna head back home. So yeah, you enjoy yourself, Mom. You too, Red, and be safe. Okay. Okay. What to do now? Hold on, let me get my phone. Okay, got my phone. Well, let's see what games there are. Okay. Fell. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yep. Okay. Oh. Yeah, whatever. That's Game Boy anyway. We'll do it now. I might just take a nap. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's the average. That's my average life. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, I'm Bob. Yeah, this is my first time in the video. Yeah, Pig was yeah, this is only the third video of this channel, but yeah. Yeah, well, we don't have much people yet, but hey, we're working on it. So yeah, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.